Assalamu alaikum friends. Today I will discuss how to fix personalized settings. Solution 1. Restart your computer. On your keyboard, press Ctrl, Alt and Delete key at the same time. In the bottom right of your screen, click the power button and choose Restart. Solution 2. Switch the network connection. Click or tap on the network icon from the notification area on the taskbar. Then click the airplane mode button to switch it on. Solution 3. Relaunch Windows Explorer. Right click Start button to select Task Manager. Right click on Windows Explorer and click in Task. Click File. Click Run the new task. Type explorer.exe. Solution 4. Run sfc command. Click Search, then type cmd. Open cmd Run as administrator. Select Yes. Paste the command. The command will be given in the video description box. Click Enter. Thanks for watching.